Namaste everyone, welcome back to today's art and craft session. Today we are going to learn how to enlarge the picture and do the drawing. This method is also called as grid drawing. You can enlarge a smaller picture and redraw a larger picture of a smaller size by squaring up method and without disturbing its proportion. And here you can see here is a butterfly given in a smaller graph. So we will draw here its enlarged image on the bigger graph square by square, and we will fill it with the crayons. So let's start. First step, number squares. Here I have written alphabets and this side I have written numbers. Now we will start with the circle of this butterfly. Now we'll mark the position of the circle. Here the position of the circle is 4 and it is little bit above D line. So we will mark here. It is in the middle of 4 and above of D, and then slowly we'll mark all the position of the butterfly and we'll do the drawing. Now in this butterfly the middle line is in above C line and in the D, so we'll mark here and then we will start our wings of the butterfly. Similarly, we will complete the other side of the butterfly. Now we'll mark the downside wings. First, put points wherever it will come on the grid and then join all the dots. And similarly do for this side also. Now like this we will mark the designs and we'll complete this butterfly. Now butterfly design is ready. Now we'll sketch it with sketch pen. Our sketching is ready. Now we'll start coloring. You can use any medium like color pencil or crayons to color it. Here I am using oil pastels and you can do by your favorite colors. You can complete the coloring. This you can complete your beautiful butterfly by using enlarge method or grid drawing. I hope everybody enjoyed this today's session. Thank you so much.